Daily meditation becomes more powerful, more focused, and more energetically aligned when crystals are added as intentional tools. Across ancient civilizations, crystals have been used as anchors of energy, as amplifiers of intention, and as companions for inner stillness. When you bring a crystal into your meditation practice, you create a connection between your physical body, your emotional field, your mind, and the subtle vibrations of the mineral kingdom. This combination transforms meditation from a simple relaxation exercise into a deeply immersive energetic journey. Today, people use crystals not because of trends but because they have seen how these natural formations shift the depth of their meditation, bring clarity, and create emotional grounding. This content offers a complete and detailed understanding of how to use crystals for meditation every single day. It includes real knowledge, foundational principles, advanced techniques, correct ways to choose, cleanse, activate, program, and use crystals intentionally. The goal is to guide you so deeply into the world of crystal meditation that you not only understand the process but also feel confident enough to practice it daily without confusion. Stay till the end, listen with full presence, and if anything connects with your thoughts or opens new questions, leave them in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more content like this. Understanding the purpose of using crystals for meditation. Crystals are believed to hold stable energetic frequencies. Meditation is the art of stabilizing the mind and expanding awareness. When these two come together, they support each other. Meditation calms you and awakens inner clarity. Crystals anchor that clarity by providing a steady energetic signature. Many people find it difficult to concentrate during meditation. Thoughts wander, the mind drifts. A crystal becomes a physical focal point, a grounding tool, and a vibrational companion that can help maintain presence. Some crystals support emotional release, some enhance intuition, some deepen breathing, and some soothe the nervous system. Understanding why you want to meditate with a crystal is the first step, because intention shapes outcome. When you start using crystals in meditation, you will notice subtle changes. Your sessions may become more immersive. You may find it easier to stay in the present moment. You may feel sensations you never noticed before, such as warmth in the palms, tingling around the crown, or a sense of expansion behind closed eyes. These experiences come because meditation amplifies the sensitivity of your awareness, and crystals interact with that sensitivity. How crystals work during meditation. Crystals work through resonance. Every crystal has an internal molecular structure that vibrates in a stable pattern. Humans, on the other hand, carry fluctuating energetic patterns that shift with emotions, thoughts, stress, and environment. When you meditate with a crystal, your energy begins to align with its consistency. This can help you reduce internal noise and tune into deeper stillness. Crystals do not replace meditation. They enhance meditation by acting as tuning forks for consciousness. When you hold a crystal or place it near your body, you are inviting your field to interact with its field. During meditation, your mind becomes quieter, which allows the crystal's vibration to influence you more effectively. Daily use of crystals builds energetic familiarity. Your system begins to recognize the crystal's frequency. Over time, the brain forms associations between the crystal and the meditative state. Just by holding your meditation crystal, your mind may naturally shift into a calmer state. This is why daily practice matters. Consistency creates energetic pathways that become easier to access. Think of it like training your inner system to respond instantly to a certain vibration. This is the power of using crystals regularly. Choosing the right crystals for daily meditation. Choosing the right crystal depends on your meditation goals. Some people meditate to reduce stress, some for emotional healing, some for manifestation, some for awakening intuition, and some for spiritual expansion. Every crystal works differently, and aligning the right stone with the right purpose ensures you get the maximum benefit. Clear quartz is known for clarity, mental focus, and amplification. It is an ideal all-purpose meditation crystal. Amethyst supports relaxation, stress release, and deeper spiritual awareness. Rose quartz helps when meditation involves emotional healing or self-love. Black tourmaline grounds your energy, especially if your mind is restless. Selenite clears your energy and lifts your consciousness. Lapis lazuli supports inner truth and intuitive messages. Citron helps when your meditation intention involves manifestation, confidence, and energy activation. Smoky quartz is excellent for grounding emotional heaviness. Labradorite opens dimensions of intuition and inner vision. Green aventurine supports heart healing and emotional renewal. When selecting a crystal, notice how your body responds. Hold it, sense its weight, temperature, texture, and vibration. Some crystals will immediately feel comforting. Some will feel energizing. Some will feel neutral. Trust the ones that create a natural connection. If choosing intuitively feels difficult, start with clear quartz or amethyst because they support almost every type of meditation. Over time, as you become more comfortable, you can expand your collection based on specific intentions. How to cleanse crystals before meditation. Crystals accumulate energy from environments, people, and emotional fields. Before using them for meditation, it is essential to cleanse them so that you begin with a neutral vibration. A crystal that is not cleansed may feel heavy, dull, or energetically blocked. When cleansed, it feels fresh, open, and responsive. There are many cleansing methods. You can cleanse with sound, such as using a singing bowl or tuning fork. You can cleanse with smoke by using sage, Palo Santo, or incense. You can cleanse with natural water for crystals that are water safe. You can cleanse by placing them on a selenite slab. You can cleanse with visualization by imagining a bright light surrounding the crystal. Some people use earth burial for deeper cleansing, but for daily meditation, sound and selenite are the simplest and most effective. Always cleanse your meditation crystal before your practice, especially if you use it daily. Cleansing is not just a physical action. It is an energetic reset. When you cleanse a crystal, you are preparing it to work with you. You are removing old imprints and inviting a fresh connection. This increases the intensity and purity of your meditation sessions. How to activate crystals for meditation. Activation awakens a crystal. It is the moment you intentionally connect with it. Cleansing removes old energy. Activation brings the crystal into alignment with your presence. To activate a crystal, hold it gently, breathe deeply, and sense it with awareness. Bring your focus into your palm and feel the subtle weight of the crystal. Whisper a soft intention or silently convey it through thought. Activation is not about rituals. It is about starting a conscious relationship with the crystal you will meditate with. Some people activate crystals through breath. You can take a slow inhale and gently exhale warm breath onto the crystal as a symbolic gesture of life force connection. Some activate through touch by tracing the surface and connecting with its shape. Some meditate with the crystal for a few minutes before beginning the mere session. All these methods awaken the crystal to your energy. Programming crystals for daily meditation use. Programming is the process of giving the crystal a specific purpose. A programmed crystal supports your meditation goal every day. It becomes your companion in the practice, holding the frequency you want to cultivate. To program your meditation crystal, hold it, close your eyes, and speak your intention clearly. Instead of vague intentions like peace or success, use specific ones such as mental clarity during meditation, emotional calmness, deeper intuition, or stronger focus. Your intention shapes the direction of energy. A well-programmed crystal becomes a stable vibrational tool that aligns with your everyday meditation journey. Repeat the intention once or several times until you feel it resonate. Programming is not about complex rituals. It is about clarity. You are directing the crystal's natural stability toward your meditation purpose. Refresh the program every few weeks to strengthen the connection. Preparing yourself for crystal meditation. Before you start meditating, prepare your mind and body. Sit comfortably. Keep your spine aligned. Relax your shoulders. Place your hands softly on your lap. Slow your breathing. Allow your energy to settle. Your system becomes more receptive when you are relaxed. Notice the environment. If needed, dim the lights or use a soft candle. You do not need elaborate setups. Focus on simplicity and presence. Hold the crystal or place it near you while taking slow breaths. Feel the transition. This moment of settling is essential because meditation is most effective when practiced with intention and readiness. Holding crystals during meditation. There are several ways to hold crystals. Each method affects the experience differently. Holding the crystal in your palm helps you feel its vibration directly. Keeping it on your lap allows grounding. Clutching it close to your heart supports emotional healing. Holding it near your forehead enhances intuition. Some people place crystals near the body instead of holding them because they prefer hands-free meditation. All methods are effective. Choose the one that feels most natural. As you hold the crystal, bring your mind to the sensation in your palm. Notice the weight, temperature, and subtle vibrations. These physical sensations serve as anchors for your attention. Whenever your mind wanders, return to the feeling of the crystal. Placing crystals on the body during meditation. Crystals placed on specific energy points can deepen meditation. Place amethyst or clear quartz on the forehead to enhance intuitive clarity. Place rose quartz or green aventurine on the heart for emotional balance. Place black tourmaline near the feet for grounding. Place selenite above the head to lift your consciousness. This method is especially powerful for lying down meditation. Body placement allows the crystal to interact directly with your energetic centers. This creates a deeper alignment between your breath, mind, and inner field. Using crystal grids for daily meditation. A crystal grid is an arrangement of crystals placed in a specific geometric pattern to amplify energy. Creating a small grid for daily meditation can enhance your practice. You can create a simple circle of crystals around your meditation spot. You can place 3 stones in a triangle. You can use a single crystal at the center with supporting stones around it. Crystal grids stabilize the meditation space and create an energetic container that supports focus. When sitting inside a grid, many people feel a sense of clarity and depth. This method is optional but powerful. It transforms your meditation from an ordinary moment into a ritual of alignment. Breathwork with crystals. Combining breathwork with crystals amplifies the effects. Breath activates energy. Crystals stabilize energy. Together they create a balanced and harmonious meditative state. Hold the crystal and inhale slowly. Imagine drawing energy from the crystal into your body. Exhale gently and release tension. Continue this for several rounds. This breathwork awakens sensitivity and strengthens the mind-crystal connection. Different crystals enhance different breathing experiences. Amethyst supports slow relaxation breaths. Citron supports energizing breaths. Selenite supports expansive breaths. Use breathwork as a powerful bridge between your physical and energetic states during meditation. Guided visualization with crystals. Visualization is a powerful meditation technique that becomes even stronger when supported by crystals. When holding a crystal, imagine its light filling your body. Visualize your intention taking shape. For emotional healing, imagine the crystal dissolving blockages. For manifestation, visualize the outcome already achieved. For clarity, picture the mind becoming transparent like light. Crystals amplify visualization because they anchor your focus. They act as energetic witnesses to the vision you create. Whenever you return to the same crystal, the visualization becomes deeper and more familiar. Daily crystal meditation routine. A daily routine makes meditation natural and effortless. A consistent practice with a crystal builds momentum and strengthens your energetic pathways. A simple daily routine could look like this. Cleanse the crystal briefly. Activate your intention. Sit comfortably. Hold the crystal or place it near your body. Start with slow breathing. Focus on the crystal's vibration. Allow thoughts to settle. Stay for the chosen duration. End with a moment of gratitude. This routine takes only a few minutes but creates long-term transformation when practiced daily. Meditation based on intention. Meditation becomes more powerful when aligned with a specific intention. For grounding, use black tourmaline or smoky quartz. Focus on stabilizing breath. For emotional healing, use rose quartz or green aventurine. Focus on heart space. For clarity, use clear quartz or fluorite. Focus on the forehead. For intuition, use amethyst or labradorite. Focus on inner vision. For manifestation, use citron or pyrite. Focus on future alignment. Every intention interacts differently with the crystal. By aligning the purpose with the right stone, your daily meditation becomes more impactful. Signs your crystal meditation is working. You might notice physical sensations like warmth, tingling, or energy flow. You might experience deeper calmness. You might see inner visuals or receive intuitive insights. You might feel lighter emotionally. You might notice increased clarity after meditation. These signs show that the crystal and your awareness are working together. Not every session produces noticeable sensations. Meditation is not about dramatic experiences. It is about consistency. Even subtle shifts indicate progress. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not use unclean crystals. Do not rush the process. Do not meditate with too many crystals at once. Do not choose a crystal without intention. Do not force experiences. Do not assume nothing is happening because you do not feel sensations. Crystal meditation is subtle, and its effects often unfold gradually. Avoid switching crystals frequently in the early stages. Build a relationship with one stone before expanding. Deepening your crystal meditation practice. Once you become comfortable, you can deepen your practice. You can use multiple crystals based on layered intentions. You can meditate longer. You can use guided journeys with crystals. You can create a dedicated meditation altar. You can journal after meditation. You can use crystals in outdoor meditation. You can meditate during moon phases using crystal grids. Each layer adds depth to your daily practice. Creating a dedicated crystal meditation space. A dedicated space strengthens your meditation frequency. Place your crystals in a clean, peaceful corner. Keep them arranged intentionally. Add a candle if you prefer. Make the space silent or use gentle ambient sounds. When you return daily, the space becomes energetically charged. This amplifies the effectiveness of your sessions. How to end a crystal meditation. At the end, slowly return your awareness to your body. Take gentle breaths. Thank the crystal internally. Observe how you feel. Sit for a moment before standing. This grounding phase integrates the experience. It prevents energetic overwhelm and helps you return to the day with balance. Maintaining your crystals for long-term meditation use. Daily crystals require periodic deep cleansing. Place them under moonlight occasionally. Use selenite plates for energetic resets. Store them in clean clothes or boxes. Do not let others hold your meditation crystal because it carries your personal energy. Long-term care ensures the crystal continues to support your meditation consistently. Why daily meditation with crystals creates transformation. Daily meditation builds inner discipline. Crystals build energetic alignment. Together they create a powerful cycle of transformation. You become more self-aware. You handle emotions better. You think more clearly. You connect deeper with intuition. You experience more stillness and less mental noise. This transformation happens not as a single event but as a continuous process supported by daily practice. Doing this every day strengthens your energy system, sharpens your awareness, and aligns your intentions with your reality. Crystals are not magic objects. They are natural companions for inner work. When used daily with clarity, intention, and consistency, they refine your meditation practice and deepen your inner journey. Meditation is a doorway, and crystals become keys that help you unlock deeper levels of awareness. Practice daily. Observe changes. Ask questions if new experiences arise. Share your journey. Like, subscribe, and comment if this knowledge inspires you or opens new clarity. If you need additional guidance or want content on specific crystal topics, leave your thoughts in the comments.